ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna, welcome to our today's topic, that is Janmashtami. So on this day, today, Janmashtami day, that is Bhadra month and Krishna Paksha, this Ashtami Tithi. This day the Lord descended from the spiritual world, Vaikuntha Avatara. Avatara means he descended from the spiritual world. So when the Lord descends, the devotees, they pray to the Lord to come to this material world. It is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 1st chapter, that Tatra Gatva Jagannatham Deva Deva Prasakapim Purushang Purusha Suktena Upataste Samahita. When the earth was overburdened with persons having so much sinful persons, the Bhumi Devi went to Brahma, and Brahma along with all the demigods, they went to the ocean of milk, where that Garbhodakasai and Kshirodakasai Vishnu is there, and there they prayed to the Lord in Purusha Sukta mantra. So the Lord said, yes, I will come. Vasudeva Gre Sakshat Bhagavan Purusha Para Janishyate Tat Priyartham Sambhavantu Surastriya. The Lord gave the message to Brahma that I will come in the house of Vasudeva. So in this way, all the demigods were very happy, and Earth goddess was also very happy. They came back, and after some months or years, the Vasudeva was born. Vasudeva was the son of Surasena. He comes in the family of Jadu, in the Jadu Vansha. So when Vasudeva took birth, at that time the demigods were very happy. They kettle drum, the Anakdunduvi, they bet this Anakdunduvi, because they are very happy that Vasudeva has come. So that's Vasudeva. Another name of Vasudeva is Anakdunduvi, because the demigods were very happy, because the Lord has said that he will come as the son of Vasudeva. So in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 2nd chapter, text 16, it is said, Bhagavan api Vishwatma bhaktanam abhayankaraha aviyesa ansabhagena mano Anakdunduve. So in this way, the Lord came in the mind of Anakdunduvi. Anakdunduvi means Vasudeva. The Lord descended on the mind of Anakdunduvi, Vasudeva. So it is stated that Mana, it is a vibhuti, it is opulence of the Lord. In Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter, it says, Indriyanam Manassasmi. I am mind among all the senses. Of course, different acharyas have said why the Lord has descended in the mind of the Vasudeva. There are so many reasons, but we won't tell you all these things. But when Lord appeared on the mind of Vasudeva, so he was looking as dazzling, just like sun, Rabi, just sun. So he was feeling so much happy, so much blissful. The Lord is on his mind. So he realized this, and he transferred it to Devaki. And this is called Diksha, and Diksha process. This is called Diksha process. In this way, a disciple gets the Lord from the spiritual master. So when Devaki received the Lord in her mind, then Lord was transferred to her womb. It is described in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 2nd chapter, that Sa Devaki Sarva Jagannivaso Nivas Bhuta Nitarang Nareje Bhojendra Gehe Agnisikhe Viruddha. In this way, Bhojendra Gehe Agnisikhe Viruddha Saraswati Jnana Khade Jatha Sati. So when the Lord was in the womb of Devaki, she was resembling like a goddess, Because the Lord, all the universe take rest in the Lord, take shelter in the Lord, Jaganvaso, and he has taken shelter in Devaki. So it is stated by Sukadeva Goswami, Sa Devaki Sarva Jaganivas, Nivas Bhuta Nitarang Nareji. Though the Lord is on the womb of Devaki, but she was dazzling, but no one could appreciate her beauty because she was imprisoned. Just like Saraswati, Jnana Khada Jathasati, the goddess of learning, Saraswati, even if somebody has so much knowledge, but if he doesn't distribute it, at that time goddess of learning becomes sorrowful or unhappy in this way. Anyway, so but when this conscious saw Devaki, he was terrified. Oh, I me pranamara hari guham, definitely my killer who will kill me is taking shelter in the womb of Devaki. In this way he could not sleep. Asina Sambhisantishtan Bunjan Parjatana Mahi Chintayan Rishikesh. Always he was thinking Rishikesh, but he was not getting peace. He was not getting enjoyment, bliss, because he was always afraid. But the demigods, they came, Brahma, Shiva and other, Indra, Narada, also they came and they saw the Lord in the womb and they prayed. That is called Garbhastuti. So many prayers are there, 15 prayers, 26 to 40. 15 prayers were there, Garbhastuti, known as Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 2nd chapter, they are there. Anyway, when on the 8th month in the Devaki's womb, the Lord descended. That is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 3rd chapter. How he descended? Na tam adbhutam balakam ambujekyanam. Tam adbhutam balakam. He was a wonderful adbhutam balakam. Ambujekyanam. Ambujekyanam means his eyes are like lotus flowers. Ambujekyanam. And Chaturbhuja Sankha Gada Yudayudham. He appeared in 4 hands. In each hand there is Sankha Chakra Gada Padma. This cons Sankha Gada, Sankha means this cons chakra, disc, Gada means this Gada means that anyway Gada and flower, lotus flower. In this way he appeared with all his 4 hands. So many ayudhas were there, Ayudha Udham. And Srivatsa Lakma. Srivatsa Lakma means in his chest, and there is Srivatsa Chinna, that is Srivatsa mark of Srivatsa, that is goddess of fortune is staying there, Srivatsa Chinna. Galasovi Kautuvam. In his neck there is Kaustuva gem. And Pitambara Sandra Payoda Saubhagam. Pitambara, he was wearing this yellow garment, Pitambara. And Sandra Payoda Saubhagam. His bodily hue is like that of a cloud. Sandra Payoda Saubhagam. Payoda means this cloud. His body is resembling like that cloud, Syamavarna, like that. So when the Lord appeared, his father and mother, Vasudeva and Devaki, they prayed to the Lord. So many prayers were there, described in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 3rd chapter. And finally, Devaki says to the Lord, "Oh my Lord, you have appeared as my son. If the people will understand, they will know this, they will laugh at me. So please become a normal child." So the Lord became a normal child, and before becoming a normal child, he said that actually you have in the Swayambhuva Manvantara, the Vasudeva and Devaki, they were Suttapa and Prusni, they meditate, they took austerity, they observed austerity for 12,000 years. And they wanted a son like the Lord. So I came as your son. At that time he came as Prishni Garbha. And the second time he came as Vamanadev. and third time I am coming as this person. So I showed you this form. So thereafter he became a normal child, and he said to Vasudeva that if you are afraid of Kansa, you send me to Nanda Maharaj, Gokula, and he has a girl child, daughter. You bring her back and keep me there. So Vasudeva, in that night, dead of the night, at 12 midnight, the Lord appeared, and Vasudeva took the Lord to Nandagaon, that Gokula, and brought back the girl child of Nanda Maharaj, and again was in that prison. Because when the Vasudeva took hold of the child, he was in prison, he was in chain, but he was freed by the arrangement of the Lord. Only there are so many security guards. All of them became asleep. And there also, when Nanda Maharaj's house, there also all were asleep. And Vasudeva kept his child in the Jasuda's room and brought back that girl child. And when he again came back to the prison, again he was imprisoned. In this way, the Lord appeared, and you will be having so many pastimes. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna.